In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to build a stone farm in Minecraft in under 1 minute. So better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. So first of all, start by placing some chests. Connect them. Then connect them with some hoppers. Shift and right click on the chest. Turn that stuff with the stone, as you can see. Then place some stairs up this chests and another layer of cobblestone. Place water here and go another layer up. Place on one of the sides one bucket of lava, and then break this one and put sign. As you can see, the lava now creating some stone. Let's start testing the farm. Keep in mind that you need a diamond pickaxe or any other materials, but with the silk touch enchantments. So to do that, let's write a comment, as you can see right here. And as you can see now, we can collect the stone. You can AFK right here by just keep clicking farming and then click on the F3 button and T. As you can see, the game will reload. My hand now is up, is not clicking on the mouse, and it will automatically keep farming. I'm not clicking right now on the mouse. So then you can stop it by moving and open your chest and you will find just the stone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and thanks for watching.